I could do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Anything.
Greetings and greetings, my fellow nurse brothers and nurse sisters. Welcome to the Nursing Affiliated channel. I'm just excited, y'all. I'm glad you guys are here because I want you guys to visit my channel and enjoy it. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and hit that like button. Don't forget, sponsored www.cardiacstrong.care. Please check it out. Remember, we are the heart in healthcare. So, before I go any further, man, I feel like I'm a radio station DJ. Don't forget, my fellow nurse brothers and sisters, and on a real note, I got a question saying, OGS_mom says, real nursing student question, will I ever get my sanity back? I'm sorry to say this, you won't. I'm just kidding, you will. In the past 4 weeks, I've questioned myself like never before. Meds are just killing me at a very slow and painful rate. Okay, I've been following you for quite some time. Any tips would be greatly appreciated. All right, this goes to everybody. I'm gonna give you 3 tips and a bonus. So number 1, I'm just gonna tell you, please, if you don't believe in yourself, or if you don't believe in the big man upstairs, what are you doing this for? This is a career, not a job. You're doing this for your kids, your family, your husband, your significant other, whoever it is. Have them understand you're doing it for somebody or for yourself. That first, you got to believe in yourself. You got to do this. I always say this, Philippians 4 verse 13, I can do all things through Christ when strengthens me. Write that down, Philippians 4 verse 13. That's my favorite Bible verse. It got me through all my struggles and my hard times in nursing school and after and right now, because nobody's perfect. Tip number 2, please take patients that are med-surg or TELE patients at that time. If there are any systems, if you're taking a pulmonary, cardiac, musculoskeletal, vascular, GI, anything in those types of systems, focus on those. So if you DKA, diabetic ketoacidosis, or a patient who had, cardiomyopathy, CHF, you get a lot of those, Lasix, digoxin, you're gonna check on all this on the patient. Please get those type of patients. That way you learn. That's tip number 2. So you have kind of patients on that type of struggle that you're having in telemetry and med-surg. Please focus on that. So you do good on the test. I want you to pass. I want you to pass. Tip number 3, very, very simple. Please first and foremost, but please don't forget, you have to understand when you're actually taking these type of patients, don't be hard on yourself, guys. Take it easy. Take it step by step. Don't try to focus on second, third, fourth, whatever block you're in. Don't worry about the dang NCLEX. Don't worry about a review or a job or no. You got to focus on what you got right now in front of your face. Faith over fear, that's very important. Focus on what you have right now. Don't worry about the other semesters because you haven't even gotten there, honey. I love you and thank you for subscribing, but I'm going to tell you honest and I'm going to be raw with you and be truthful. So that's the 3 tips. Please don't be hard on yourself. Focus on what you have right now, whatever semester you're in. Don't think about, I'm just passing 1 med. I got to learn 7 rights. That's so easy. I got to fold the bed. Doesn't matter. We all start somewhere, guys. Write that down. And those are 3 tips. Here's the last bonus one I have for you guys. Whatever student or classmates you have, please, you are who you surround yourself with. Nobody had time to waste on goofing around, watching on Lost or whatever shows on Netflix. Who cares? They ain't gonna pay. Those aren't gonna pay the bills. So please, bonus tip number 4, I guess you could say the bonus one I could add on there. Get with the students in your class that know their stuff, or just focus on them. Focus on everyone should help each other. Y'all are a team and a family because you're there for 2 years, for 12 to 18 hours. It feels like a day. You see them more than you see your family. Please, focus on the individuals that know their stuff, or students that need assistance or help. Whatever it is, you guys get together and study good and great. That way you guys can pass. Don't ever go home because I don't want you driving home thinking about how incompetent you are. Trust me, everyone has to begin from somewhere, okay? Write that down. 3 tips and a bonus. Hopefully that helps. Don't forget to please drop your own comments on the bottom. What do you guys do to actually survive and how to get over any of these tips that you can offer to all the nursing students? I would love that. Don't forget, subscribe, comment, like. My fellow nurse brothers and sisters, I love you guys. Peace, love, advocate, and nurse grind. Peace. All right, here we go.